German snipers were trained to wait, to watch, to strike at the perfect moment. But by late World War II, some of them did something unexpected. They didn't fire. They watched certain American units and chose to stay hidden. German snipers were elite, highly trained, patient to the extreme. Their job wasn't just to kill, it was to disrupt, to slow advances, to spread fear. Most enemy units were vulnerable, but not all.
At first, the encounters seemed normal. A shot fired, a soldier drops. Then something unusual happened. Instead of freezing or panicking, the Americans responded instantly.
They didn't bunch up. They didn't rush blindly. They moved with purpose. Within seconds, the sniper's position was being triangulated. Rifle fire, machine guns, mortars ready to drop. For a sniper, that's a nightmare.
Some American units were exceptionally disciplined. Veteran infantry, ranger units, well-trained formations that expected snipers and planned for them. Snipers rely on control, on choosing when the fight begins. But against these units, the control disappeared. One shot could mean immediate retaliation, and sometimes no escape. Some snipers later admitted they learned the hard way. Certain American units weren't worth the risk, not because they were invincible, but because they were prepared. Fear on the battlefield doesn't always come from overwhelming force. Sometimes it comes from knowing your enemy is ready, watching, and waiting just like you. German snipers didn't stop fighting, but they learned a lesson every soldier learns eventually. Some opponents don't fear the shot, they expect it, and that changes everything. For more untold battlefield stories, subscribe and keep exploring history beyond the headlines.